Sorting toys. TV about to go. So this is the pie we're keeping. A lot of germs here. Oh. A lot. Huh? Okay.
No AC.
You guys, I remember when I redid this room. Look at that wall. This wall. I remember when I redid this room, and now it's time to pack out. Like this room, we've changed this room so many times over the years. If you look here, you can see this wall is purple because this wall actually used to be purple. The TV was here, so they didn't remove the TV when they were repainting. That's why here it's still purple. And it used to be cream, it used to be different colors. Now we're packing out. We've already packed out a lot of the kids' clothes, but we're about to pack out the remaining. Yeah, Uche, I continue. By we, Uche, I'm not. This is none of my business. It's not my cup of tea. Uche is doing the packing. I don't even know what all these things are. Like, okay, here we have bed sheets and stuff. It's exciting. I'm giving away this bed and the mattress. I'm giving away the bed and the mattress, the bed and the mattress. What else am I giving away in this room? It barely has curtains at this point. What this AC, I think this AC is going to a room in the other house. So for sure, I'm still supposed to go shopping today to buy a lot. But yeah, this is the situation of things. We're about to pack the remaining clothes inside bin bag because we're moving out in about 2 days. We're loading this into the car now. These are part of the ones that I'll be giving away. These are part of them. I'm giving away this mattress. It has stayed its course. Yeah, I'm giving away this thing. I'm giving away the speakers or whatever that is that we've not used for years. Whew. We're getting somewhere. I'll show you guys. This is the situation now. I'm giving away all this. I have some shoes there, clothes, bed sheets, whatnot. Giving away. This is our last night in this house.
Yeah, tomorrow
Who wants to continue staying in this house?
Not me. Me.
Oh yeah, these two people will stay in this house.
Bye.
You guys, moving is stressful, extremely stressful. Packing up, we're doing final packing. Oh man, see the store is almost completely empty. And then the kids' room. The people I'm giving this bed and mattress, they are on their way. Their toilet. This room empty. I'm giving this out all completely empty. We're still washing curtains. So we're still washing and drying. Curtains. This one, wait. This is a bit damp. Uche, is anything drying? Okay. Extremely stressful. I'm just trying to arrange the things I'm giving out and the things I'm keeping. I'm trying not to keep things I don't need. Like, I don't like load. This is the store. The store is already almost completely empty. We've already removed the inverter battery. I don't even know how to begin to pack my things. Like, that's the most stressful part for me, to be honest. I'm trying to pack my things. I need to empty these drawers. Like, I don't know if I should empty it or not, actually. I just need to empty it. My husband is packing. To this floor. I pulled out the day I was fixing this floor. I just never repaired it. So, this is an empty house tour of our old apartment. This is the entrance. Oh, look at our living room. I can't believe this. This is our living room, or this was our living room and dining area, even though we never had a dining. Never. Look at how empty this house is now. Oh my gosh. And this is the door to the kitchen. This is the kitchen. Oh, it's so empty. This is the kitchen. And then this is the store. This is the store, completely empty. And then this is where we kept our inverter and batteries before. And this is the kids' room. Everywhere is so echoey. I'm making this video very short and quick. This is the kids' room. I remember when I painted this room and, it was so nice. And now look at it. This is their toilet. See them. See them. This was the spare room that we weren't really using. Francis is there washing curtains and all that. And then, last but not the least, this is our room, or this was our room. This was our room. See, they spoiled my floor as they were packing those places. But yeah, this was our room. And this is this house now. That's a toilet. This was our toilet. It has shower and it has a bathtub. Okay? And that's it. That's the empty house tour. That's the whole house. Oh, look at that. I remember when Kobe made this card. Mother's Day card. I love you, Mom. Oh, best dad. I love you, Dad. This was his Father's Day card. You are the best dad because you always help me. I'm sure he meant me. He was younger. This was like 2 years ago. He wrote, always help my. It's so cute. Oh. Anyways, this is it. Goodbye to this house. This is going to be my last time here, I'm sure. Definitely not coming back. This is the parlor toilet. This is one toilet I don't think I ever used for one day throughout our stay in this house. Like, never ever. It's a parlor toilet. Man, this place was big. I mean, this place is big. The person that rents this house next is going to enjoy it. I mean, apart from the dirty walls and stuff, there's really nothing wrong with anything. Just that you definitely need to repaint. You guys can see all the dirt. And I repainted this house. Was it not last year? Having kids, you just keep repainting and repainting.